1435. Very nice. Okay, good. Till everyone here clear about the subtraction sum? Everyone clear? Then type O in a chat box. Everyone understood the sum of subtraction? So type O in a chat box. O. O for orange. O for orange. Very good. Very nice. Okay. So now listen students, we are going to start our new chapter. Our new chapter is which? It's a multiplication. Which is our new chapter? It's a multiplication. Already you know the meaning of multiplication. In a last lecture I given the introduction and even have idea what is the meaning in a word, in a one word. I explaining in the last lecture. The introduction also over of multiplication. What is the multiplication? It's a which addition? Yes. Give me answer in a chat box. It's a which addition? Single addition or repeated addition? Multiplication means what? It's a repetition addition. Very good. It's a repeated addition because yes, in last lecture I was explaining you. Okay. Yes. What is the multiplication? It's a repeated addition. First of all, we are going to solve one sum. Okay, student? Yes, very good. Now, we are going to take out the one sum of multiplication. Okay? This is the one digit into one digit. Yes. 3 into 5. 3 into 5. What is the answer? 3 into 5. You want to add the 3 5 times. Otherwise, 5 3 times. That means, now I am going to explaining you. Wait a second, student. 3 5 times. How? 3 5 times. Because 3 is there, right? You want to add this 3. How many times? It's a 5 times. Okay? Look at here. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Wait a second, student. Plus 3. Yes, give me answer. What is your correct answer? 3. You want to add a 5 time? Yes, 3. You want to add a 5 times. What's your answer? Your answer is 15. Very good. It's a one digit into one digit. Okay, student? Okay, very good. Very nice. So everyone clear the one digit into one digit? Yes or no? Okay. Now today we are going to learn the part of multiplication. Means how to multiply with numbers. Okay. We are going to learn first of all from the starting onwards. Wait a second. I'm going to show you one image. With the help of image you will clear. Okay. Now listen students, parts of multiplication. Multiplication everyone know, it's a repeated addition. Yes or no? Multiplication means everyone know it's a repeated addition. Okay. Now we want to learn the parts of multiplication. Every time we are multiplying one digit into one digit, otherwise two digit into one digit. But what is the name of that number? What is the part of that number? How you know? Now today we are going to learn the parts of multiplication. Now I given you one sum. Listen students, my screen is visible properly to everyone. If suppose yes, okay, then type. If suppose all are visible properly my screen, then type Y in a chat box. Type Y in a chat box. Okay. Now no need to type the message in a chat box. Now I'm going to explaining you. Okay. Look at properly. This is the sum which it's a 15 into 2. What is the sum? 15 into 2. Okay. So 15. What is the name of that 15? Already it is given here. 15 is a multiplicand. 15 is a what? Multiplicand. First number. We are going to multiply by one digit. 2 two digit into one digit. So first one number is which, what is the name of that number? It's a multiplicand. Second one is what? Second one is the multiplier, which I am going to show you in a red color. It is what? Multiplier. Okay, look at properly what I am going to show you and which names, that numbers having the specific name. So these names, everyone keep it in mind properly. Okay, first number is what? It's a multiplicand, and second one, it's a multiplier. Okay, so when you are going to multiply, at that time what you will do? 15 into 2. So 15 you are adding how many times? Yes. Now everyone give response in a chat box. 15, how many times you will add this 15? Wait a second, student. This 15, how many times you will add? Yes, it's a 2 time, because your multiplier is what? 2. Your multiplier is what? It's a, wait a second, I'm going to show you. It is your multiplier. See, this is your multiplier. 2 is your multiplier. 15 is your multiplicand. So 15 plus 15. 15. Now I am not going to show you the whiteboard, student. My image is there. Okay. Yes. Listen, student. 15 plus 15. Because how many times you want to add the 15? It's a 2 time. It's a 2 time. Okay. Cleared here? Yes or no? Okay, very good. Now, the next sum I'm going to give on a whiteboard. Okay, now I'm going to show you the whiteboard. Wait a second, student. Now, I'm going to solve one sum on whiteboard. Visible my whiteboard, everyone? My whiteboard is visible to everyone? Okay, good. Now no need to send any message in a chat box. Okay, concentrate on whiteboard, which I was explaining now. See, here I am going to write one number. It's a 2 digit into 1 digit. 74. 74 into 5. 74 into 5. Now I'm going to ask you, in this number, which one is a multiplier? Which one is a multiplier? In last sum, I was explaining you the first one is, which number is there? It's a multiplicand. It's a multiplicand. And next one, into 5. Into 5, it's a multiplier. It's a multiplier. And first one is what? It's a multiplicand. Now everyone start to multiply the 74 into 5. 74 into 5. Yes. Everyone solve from your side and give me answer in a chat box. Okay. Yes. Solving over 74 into 5. Yes. 74 into 5. Very good. Very good, Adarsh. Very nice. Another one. Only one single student is given answer. Okay, good. Ishwari, Aditya. Very nice. Asta, Jagruti, Arnab. Manasvi beta, your answer is wrong. Check it properly. Maybe by mistakenly you are written 307. Your correct answer is 370. Good, Samar, Kapil, Durga. Very nice. Very nice. What is your correct answer? 370. Now tell me, what is the name of 370? I inform you the 3 parts of multiplication. First one is which one? First one, 74. What is the name of 74? Very good. 370 is the product. Very nice. What is the name of first part? 74. What is the name of 74? What is the name of 74? Very good. It's a multiplicand. Very nice. What is the name of 5? What is the name of 5? Multiplier. Very good. Very nice. All are given answer? Very good. Yes. And what is the correct answer? And what is the name of that answer? Give me answer. What is the name of that answer? Yes. Last one. It's a product. Very good. 370 is the product. Very nice. Very good. Very good. Okay. So clear about the part of multiplication. Clear the part of multiplication. What is the first part? What is the name of first part? What is the name of second part? Now I am going to wait a second. Now I am going to give you one another sum. You want to give the name of that number and after that the answer. Right? First of all, you want to give the name of that number and after that you want to give the answer. Okay, direct answer don't give. Okay, student. Now listen. 345. Don't be confused. 3-digit numbers means what is the name? Same name will come. 345 into 24. Yes. No one is chatting. No one is chatting. First of all, from your side, you want to solve in your notebook. First of all, from your side, you want to solve. After that, you want to type in a chat box. What is a multiplicand? What is a multiplier? And what is a product? Don't give directly answer. I don't want direct answer. Don't give direct answer. Yes. Don't give direct answer. I want the each column name. First of all, what is the multiplicand? What is the multiplier? And what is the last one? That I am not given to, I am not said to you. Last one. Yes. Everyone. Some students are given the direct answer. No. I want the name of that number. 345 is what? 345 is what? It's a... What is the name of 345? Very good. Very nice, Tejaswini. Good. Very nice. 345 is your multiplicand. 24. Who is Manasvi? Manasvi, beta, you not understood. Okay, I'm going to explaining you. Wait a second, student. Again, look at properly. Your first number, which I was given you in a red color. Wait a second. See, this is your first number. Okay. 345. Yes. Second one is what? It's a multiplier. 24. 24 is your multiplier. Now, we are going to solve this sum. Okay. 5 into 4. Tell me 5 into 4. It's a 20. Okay. Now, students, no need to chat in a, no need to send any message in a chat box. Okay. I'm going to explain you. Wait a second. Some students are not clear what is the correct answer and how that answer came. Okay. Now look at properly. I'm going to rough it and again I'm going to solve. Wait a second. Look at here, everyone. Okay. See. What is your number? It's a 345 into 24. Okay. Now this one is a multiplicand. This one is a multiplier. 5 into 4. 20. Okay. 2 is carry. Right? After that, 4 into 4, 4 into 4, 16 plus you want to add this 20s too. Answer is 18. Again 1 is going to here. 18, okay. 4 into 4 is a 16 plus carry 2 you want to add over here. What is the answer? 18. 1 8. Yes, 1 8. 18 is the answer. Now next. 3 4 3 4 What is the 3 4 answer? 3 into 4. You want to add the 3 4 times. Otherwise, you want to add the 4 3 times. 3 4 12. 3 4 12 plus 1 you want to add over here. It's 30. Yes. Downside, you want to assume here 0. Assume here 0. Okay. Now next. 5, because we are going to the second step. 4 into this all numbers. First of all, we are multiplying. Now go to the 2. So you want to assume here 0. First of all, in a last column, you want to assume the 0. After that, 2 into 5. 10. You want to carry over 1 here. After that, 4 into 2. 8. 8 plus 1. 9. And 3 into 2. 3 into 2. So 6. So you want to add now 0. 8. 9 plus 3. 12. So 1 is here, 2 is here, 6, 7, 8. So what is your correct answer? 8280. What is your correct answer? 8280. You have understood how to multiply the 345 into 24? Everyone clear? Yes or no? 8280. How came? Everyone clear how to multiply? Okay, so what is the name of 8280? Yes, what is the name of that last number? What is the name of that last number? Yes. The last number having specific name. Like 345 is a multiplicand, 24 is a multiplier, and 82, 8280 is what? Yes, very good. It is your product. Clear here? Everyone? Everyone clear? Yes or no? Okay. Now next sum I'm given to you. You want to solve now. Okay? In your notebook. Now no need to type in a chat box any message. First of all, solve everyone. And after that, when I was asking to you, give me answer in a chat box. At that time, you want to give the answer. Okay? Ready everyone? Good. Now next. It's 789 into 12. Yes. I want, what is the multiplicand? First of all, give me like this answer. First of all, write in your notebook what is the multiplicand, what is the multiplier, and solve the answer and give me the product. Everyone, first of all, solve in your notebook and give me answer. Okay, when I was asking you, you're over. At that time, you want to give the answer. First of all, everyone try your side. Yes. Everyone is try from your side. After that, I'm going to ask you. Give me answer in a chat box. Okay? No one is typing in a chat box answer. No one. I given you the time to solve the answer. I given you the time to solve the answer. When your answer over, at that time, 789 into 12. 789 into 12. I want, no, Janvi Peta, don't give the full answer. First of all, tell me what is the multiplier. First of all, clear, because I don't know what is the multiplier and multiplier. In this sum, which one is a multiplicand and which one is a multiplier? I don't know. So give me answer in a chat box. In this sum, which one is a multiplicand? Yes. Which one is a multiplicand? 789 is a multiplicand. Okay. And next one is what? Because I don't know. Next one is a what? Yes. 12 is a multiplier. Very good. 789 is a multiplicand and 12 is multiplier. Okay. Good. Now next one. Aryan, don't send the message, beta. Now next one. What is the correct answer? And what is the name of that correct answer? Name with number. What is the answer? Answer with the name. Okay, very good. Product. And what is the correct answer? It's a 9,468. What is the correct answer? It's a 9,468. Everyone clear? Now anyone have doubt how to solve the sum? Anyone have doubt? If suppose anyone have doubt, then type in a chat box. I'm going to explaining you again. Everyone clear? Everyone. I want answer from everyone. If suppose concept clear, yes, ask the beta. You have doubt, ask me. Unmute yourself and ask me. Yes, Asta. Okay. Asta, you have doubt, beta, ask me. Janvi. Yes. Those students having doubt, ask me freely. Unmute yourself and ask me. Okay, Sneha. Okay, good. Another students, all are clear? Yes, Janvi properly. Yes. Look at here, student. Ready? Yes, I'm write the number. Now I'm going to write the numbers and you want to tell me the answer in a chat box. Okay. Ready, everyone? Yes. 55. Yes. 55. First, I'm going to write in a simple way. 55 into 9. 55 into 9. Now, I'm going to write here. I'm going to draw first column. 3 column will come again. Yes. In this, which one is a multiplicand? Which one is a multiplicand? Tell me. Give me answer. Which one is a multiplicand? In this both number, which one is a multiplicand? Very good. 55 is your multiplicand. And multiplier. Which one is a multiplier? Which one is a multiplier? Yes, very good. 9 is your multiplier. Very nice. Now next, wait a second. Yes, 9 is your multiplier. Okay. Now tell me how to write the 55 now. How to write the 55? Tell me. Yes. Give me answer from your side. How to write the 55? I don't know. How to write 55? No. Yes, very good. Purvaja, very nice. Don't write direct the 55 into 9. What is the group of 55? 50 into 5. Very nice. What is the group of 55? That is 50 into 5. And 9, where I want to write now? 9 in this box. 9. Where I want to write? Tell me first one. Which box? Downside of the 50? No. Where I want to write? First one, second one, third one. Don't give the answer. Where I want to write 9. Okay, very good. 9 you want to write in a first column. Okay. And here which sign will come? Tell me, which sign will come? Very good. It's a multiplication. Very nice. Okay. Now, you want to find out the answer. 50 into 9. 50 into 9. Tell me answer. 50 into 9. I want answer 50 into 9. 50 into 9. Yes. Your correct answer is 450. What is the correct answer? Your correct answer is 450. Now, 9 into 5. Now, 9 into 5. What is the answer? 9 into 5. Yes. Your answer is 45. Okay, very good. Very nice. So what is the proper answer? Exact answer is what? So how you will be add? 450 plus 45 you want to add. Which answer you want to add? These both column. Downside of the 50 and downside of the 5 you want to add together. 450 plus 45. Your answer is 495. Your answer is 495. What is the answer? Okay, understood. This is the lattice method. Now, with our simple method, solve it and check it. Your answer is correct or wrong, correct or incorrect. Okay. With the simple method, we are going to solve this. See, 55 into 9. 9 fours are 45. 4 is here. Again 9 fives are 45 plus 4. Check it. Properly check it. Your answer is correct. With the help of both method, you are checking the answer. Your answer is correct or wrong. Correct or incorrect. Tell me the answer. What is the correct answer? 494. 494 is your correct answer. Understood till here? Everyone understood the lattice method? Yes. Anyone have doubt in a lattice method? Freely and frankly ask me. Anyone have doubt in a lattice method? Yes.